Can I machine wash my 20 pounds weighted blanket?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing an important question. Can I machine wash my 20 pounds weighted blanket? Weighted blankets have become quite popular for their ability to promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. However, when it comes to cleaning them, there can be some uncertainty. So, let's dive in and find out the answer.
Care instructions for weighted blankets.
Weighted blankets are typically filled with small glass beads or plastic pellets that provide the added weight. The outer cover is often made of various materials such as cotton, polyester, or a combination of both. Before attempting to wash your weighted blanket, it's crucial to check the care instructions provided by the manufacturer. These instructions will give you specific guidance on how to clean your particular blanket.
Machine washing possibilities.
In general, some weighted blankets can be machine washed, while others require alternative cleaning methods. When it comes to machine washing, there are a few factors to consider. Firstly, the size and weight of your blanket can play a role. A 20 pounds weighted blanket is relatively heavy, and not all washing machines are equipped to handle such a load. Check the maximum weight capacity of your machine to ensure it can handle the weight.
Preparing your weighted blanket for machine washing.
If your weighted blanket is machine washable, there are some preparations you should make before tossing it in the machine. Start by removing the duvet cover, if it has one, as the cover is usually easier to clean separately. Next, inspect the blanket for any loose seams or tears. It's essential to repair any damages before washing to prevent further issues during the cleaning process.
Machine washing steps.
Once you have confirmed that your 20 pounds weighted blanket is safe to machine wash, follow these steps. 1. Check the care label on the blanket for specific instructions, including water temperature, cycle settings, and detergent recommendations. 2. Select a gentle or delicate cycle to minimize stress on the blanket stitching and overall structure. 3. Use a mild detergent that is suitable for delicate fabrics to avoid harsh chemicals that might damage the blanket or cause skin irritation. 4. If your machine has an extra rinse option, it's beneficial to use it. This helps to ensure all detergent residue is thoroughly removed from the blanket. 5. Avoid using bleach or fabric softeners, as they can degrade the fabric and affect the blanket's overall performance.
Drying your weighted blanket.
After the machine washing process, it's time to dry your weighted blanket. Again, consult the care instructions for specific guidance. In most cases, line drying or air drying is recommended to maintain the integrity of the blanket. If using a dryer is allowed, it's crucial to use a low heat setting to prevent potential damage. Avoid excessive heat or direct sunlight, as they can cause shrinkage or fading. And there you have it. The answer to the question, can I machine wash my 20 pounds weighted blanket? Always refer to the care instructions provided by the manufacturer to ensure the best cleaning method for your specific blanket. Remember to inspect the blanket for any damages before washing and make any necessary repairs. Follow the recommended washing and drying steps, paying attention to temperature settings and avoiding harsh chemicals. With proper care, your weighted blanket should stay clean and cozy for a long time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.